Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Yeah. Take it just to be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So I'm starting this vlog off in the car. Today is Wednesday and I am on my way to brunch with my brother. Hopefully the food's good. I've never been to this spot before. Right now I am stuck in traffic because they've closed off one of the lanes. So I'll see you guys when we get to the restaurant.
Absolutely, I'll bring out some water as well.
Okay, thank you. Waiting on our food, I ordered some crab cakes and shrimp and a Caesar salad. Ryan, what you ordered?
I got the shrimp and Gouda grits.
Oh, he got the shrimp and Gouda grits and crab cakes. So hopefully the food is good. There was a group of people that just got up that was on the side of us. They got up because they said it was taking their food too long. So I don't see why it's taking the food so long because it's not that many people here. So y'all wish us luck.
With 2 crab cakes on the side.
Yeah.
And a side of shrimp.
Yes, me.
Careful, the bowl that the shrimp are in are kind of hot, okay? The shrimp and grits for you, sir. Here you are. With 2 crab cakes with 2 sides of beer mustard as well. Here you are, miss.
Thank you. That'll be it.
This is my
Alright,
seat.
y'all, so we're leaving. The food was just okay. I'm kind of hard to please though when it comes to food. The presentation was trash. So we're done with lunch. What did you think? What did you think?
I think I'm hot.
Did you like? Oh hell, I just turned it all the way off too.
Yeah, I like the place. It was cute.
Did you like your food? Ryan had shrimp and grits.
Yeah, I had the shrimp with the Gouda grits. It was really good. Yeah. Look, I wasn't done with my food, but he was like, "Are you still working on it?" It's like, no, I'm done. It was so good,
I
but
just
it
had
was
a
a corner.
salad.
It was just a corner.
Period, Ryan. Period. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Today is special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
So we made it back home from Sweet Pete's. There's Ryan, the one and only. Oh Lord, now wait a minute. So I had to pick up little Tony, but we went to Sweet Pete's just to get like some old school candies for my mom and my son. I wanted to surprise him because he really likes Sweet Pete's. Half of the place is closed down because if you guys have ever been to a Sweet Pete's, they have like a restaurant in there, but that part is closed. But they still had like the ice cream parlor and you know, the candy, of course. So I just brought some little candies for Tony. It was really cute, and Ryan bought him some candies because y'all know his birthday is next week. So we just been trying to spoil him as much as we can with some of his favorite things up until his birthday. So right now,
Now you're gonna cut it off after his birthday.
no, because you already know the big shebang. But so right now we're getting ready to head to another spot. This place is called The District here in Jacksonville. I've never been, so I'm really excited to go. So I will see you guys at the restaurant. I like this little spot right here. Look y'all, so this is the one that we're gonna do. It's so cute. Look. All the vibes. Now if it was available, we could have did like the little teepee right there, and then they have one over here. So cute.
No.
Can we get something to wipe this down?
Yeah, I'll be done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We moved our spot, so now we're sitting by the trees. It's really nice. That was such a vibe. My best friend ended up meeting us up here because the mimosas were so big. The salmon was so good. Ryan, bald head Hoshi.
Right. Y'all trying to say.
Good morning, y'all. So today I'll just be chilling. Today I have to run a few errands. I need to take these shorts back that I bought from Forever 21. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me about that hat. I got that hat from Forever 21. They have about, I think like 4 different colors. I got 3, so let me show y'all real quick. So I got the brown. I got the, they said that this is an olive green. That's what it says on the tag. Hopefully y'all can see the color. Olive green. And the black. So I have a hard time finding hats that'll fit my head, but the straw hats like this always fit, so I grabbed them. Now I'm gonna go back and get the pink one, especially since I have to go there anyway to take the shorts back, but I really like the way that they look on me, so I'm gonna go back to grab the pink one today. It's really cute. So right now I'm getting ready to go to the gym, work out for an hour, and I'm gonna get my day started. My husband left his wallet again. Oh my goodness, so I'm gonna have to take him his wallet. But
today is just gonna be a chill day. I've been trying to like get out more, so I hope you guys have been enjoying that. Just trying to stay busy, trying to spend time with my family and my friends. Just trying to enjoy life, y'all. So I hope you guys have been enjoying seeing those clips, seeing me, you know, spend time with my family and my friends, because life is short and you got to get out there. You got to just live life.
All right, so here is my lunch for today. So I just added some salmon, tomatoes, and then sprinkled some Parmesan cheese on here. And then I'm gonna use some more of the fig balsamic dressing. This is really good, y'all. So I'm gonna eat this really quick because I have to go take my husband his wallet.
But I'm what you need. I know my high just started, but I hit a peak, yeah.
So I'm back home from the mall. So the first thing that I got is from Forever 21, which is the hat that I showed you guys. I do have the link to this hat in the description box, so just click my like to know it link and it'll take you to everything that you guys ask about. It's on my like to know it account. But this is the pink one. Let me see the exact color. It's a blush pink. So it's the exact same. It's just pink. I really like this one. This one was cute. I couldn't stop thinking about this, so I knew I had to pick this one up. And then I picked up a few things from H&M. First thing that I picked up is just a plain basic white button down. My last one got a stain on it and I needed a new one, so I bought this one. This one was only $14.99. And then I bought some of these oatmeal colored pants. They're so cute. So I bought some of these. They had some really cute satin ones. They were so pretty, but I didn't get those. I got these in a size large. They were $24.99. So hopefully they fit good, but they're really cute. I know y'all like, you got some pants like that already, but they're more like a cream and you can kind of see like the dark specks in the material and they look really cute. And then they have like the thicker waistband, so I really like that. Does it have a drawstring? No drawstring. Ugh. Yeah, so these are cute. And then I've always wanted one of these. So it's just like a long dress, buttons in the front, and then it's long. I've always wanted one of these, y'all, but every time I go in H&M, they never have my size. So this was $34.99 and I got it in a size medium because they run pretty big. So hopefully it looks good on me. What y'all think? So yeah, grab that. What else? Oh, and then I needed another blazer. Now, most of the time I would get my blazers from the thrift store, but I just been real funny about going in the thrift stores lately, especially with COVID. I don't really want to purchase anything, But this is like a linen material. Let me just see, does it tell me? Yeah, it's a linen blend. So I really like the way that this looks. So I got it in an extra large, and it has some shoulder pads on it. But I just thought that this would be real cute, you know, just to dress up a casual outfit. So yeah, and I really did need one, because the last blazer that I had, I just didn't like the way that it fit. And I don't even, oh, I think I still got it in there, but I think I got rid of 2 of them. And I still have the one, but I need to take it to get it tailored, because I just don't like the way that it fits. And then I just bought these shoes right here. Now y'all know that I ordered the ones from Target just like this, but I didn't like the way that they fit, and so I ended up taking those back. So I got these in black, and these were $24.99, and I also bought them in this color. It's like a light gray. So yeah, I just thought that these were so cute. They look real cute on the foot. So yeah, I just thought these were super cute, so I grabbed these. But I can tell y'all that they run small, so this is supposed to be an 8.5, but I don't think it's 8.5. I think that was just a mistake on H&M's part. But yeah, these are really cute. I really like these. So I forgot to tell y'all, I had to take some stuff back to Sephora, and I picked up the Marc Jacobs Perfect. It smells good, but this is like a very young scent. This is for a young girl, so I'm gonna give this to Kalila. I love Marc Jacobs scents. I love the Marc Jacobs Daisy. That's one of the fragrances that I told y'all I will always have in my collection, the Marc Jacobs Daisy. But this is just way too like young for me. It doesn't smell like sexy. I'm gonna give this to Kalila. She'll like it, because she's trying to get her perfume collection up. So this will be my little gift to her. But I got the 1.6 fluid ounce, and I think this bottle was about maybe like $85 or something. So yeah, if you guys are wondering about this scent, like I said, it does smell good, but it's just a little too young for me. Yeah, she cute though. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am Sharika B, and I will see you girls on the next one. Bye y'all.
Don't take it.